Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could easily install Tumblr on your Windows 11 computer. To begin, go to the search bar and type Microsoft Store and click on the Microsoft Store app to open. Wait until the refresh is completed. You should be able to see different kind of applications appearing. Click on the search bar and type Tumblr. Wait a few seconds, and once you see Tumblr app, click on it to open. Click on Get and wait for a few seconds, as usually the process of downloading and installing it takes up to 40 seconds as a maximum. However, based on how fast is your computer and your internet, this might be more or less. The download and install is completed. Click on Open, and the window will open like this. You can always agree with the privacy and terms, and here you can always click to log in or to open a new account. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.